we are a manufacturer as well, right? So the valuation of the inventory is very important for us. So that part was missing in the previous ERP, which we saw here. The ERP did automatic calculations of each and every bill of materials. So the best feature is the reports. The inbuilt reports, whatever the ERP is offering, and the kind of search engine when you're searching in the ERP, if you're searching any accounts or the invoices or the purchase order or the sale order or something, it's very easy to search. And it solves a lot of problem because you are handling around 10,000 to 20,000 SKUs. So it is very difficult to manage so much of SKUs in any ERP. But with having so many different kind of reports, it makes life easier.
Mr. Amit with us, Director of Techno Sports. Hello Amit, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm good. Fine, thank you. How are you?
All good, all good. So, this is the first time you're visiting Odoo Community Days?
Yes, I've been before some convention, which happened in Bangalore.
Okay, so Odoo road shows.
Yes.
Right. So, how was your experience in Community Days today?
Very good. I interacted with a lot of people. We spoke a lot of development points. Our team is also here. So we had some points which we wanted to configure in our existing implementation. So we discussed a lot of points, and then we saw a lot of problems solved.
Okay, I am glad that you are having such a good time and you are able to network with a lot of influencers, and even I guess you might have got a chance to meet our director and CEO as well.
Yeah, Fabian.
Yes, correct. So before moving further, can you please let us know that what your organization is all about?
So Techno Sport is a domestic brand. We make mostly sports apparel. The jersey, track pant, shorts, innerwear, socks for the men, women and the kids. So we have a distribution network all over India. We also have a distributor in Ahmedabad as well. And Mumbai and Delhi and Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore. So we're spread all over India. We are also into the online market. Flipkart, Myntra, Amazon. And this year we're getting into brand outlets. We have flagship stores now. So everywhere we have implemented Odoo, but not at the distributor level, but are in a manufacturing facility. We have in-house production in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. So we are using there this ERP.
Okay, so as you said that in your production house you are using Odoo. So may I know what all applications are being used in your organization? How is Odoo being helpful to your workflow?
So the accounting, which is the important part, that application we are using extensively. Inventory, purchase, sales, manufacturing.
So overall, if I may say, you are using the entire supply chain management, accounting management applications. How is your experience using these applications? Like what all new features might have come into your life or during your business cycle? How it molded and how it reduced your efforts?
So the best feature is the reports. The inbuilt reports, whatever the ERP is offering, and the kind of search engine when you're searching in the ERP, if you're searching any accounts or the invoices or the purchase order or the sale order or something, it's very easy to search. And it solves a lot of problem because you are handling around 10,000 to 20,000 SKUs. So it is very difficult to manage so much of SKUs in any ERP. But with having so many different kind of reports, it makes life easier.
Absolutely. And it's a way less time consuming process, if I may say. Right, you get appropriate results at any given point if you want to check any current reportings as well. Right. So when you talk about other features, like if there must be something, as you said that you are also trying to get your foot into the retail market, you are going to open outlets as well as your future plan. So is there anything you want to add on or you want to have that feature in Odoo?
I've not explored the POS entirely. It has a lot of features, but the refund part which we saw was a little tricky. that we need, that I even have spoke to Sandeep and your POS team as well, and they've discussed and they have told us that they'll develop those parts in the future modules. And one more part, maybe the offers. So apparel industry has offers like buy two get two, buy three get two. All those features are missing. So those points can be added, but overall it is way better than what other POS module I have seen till date.
Right. No, definitely. Based on your suggestion, I'm pretty sure that we can, develop something in POS to manage the promotions like that. Right. So definitely we'll take your suggestion forward so that we can implement it into version 18 or next any version if it is possible.
Sure.
Right. So can I know your sales journey? Like how did you come to know about Odoo? Like how was your entire journey right from understanding Odoo or testing it to implementing it in your business?
So previously we had a different ERP.
Okay.
We had struggled with our inventory and audit and everything. We came across with a company called Astral Business.
Okay.
And they suggested to go to an ERP which can support your business case study. And then we saw their ERP. We saw the Odoo ERP, the modules. They offered very different types of models. We have discussed a lot of points where the costing of the inventory.
Okay.
We are a manufacturer as well, right? So the valuation of the inventory is very important for us. So that part was missing in the previous ERP, which we saw here. The ERP did automatic calculations of each and every bill of materials to the finished garments. We could see the reports from raw material, from the yarn to the t-shirt itself. So the whole journey of the product getting converted from one step to another, and we get the proper valuation. So then we were convinced that we have to go to something like this.
Oh, okay. So it has been a, good journey right from understanding the product to implementing it, and majorly the product became a solution when each and every step was getting tracked over here. Right. So if you want to talk about the support services from Odoo, right, how was it? How did you felt that?
So we had got implemented with Odoo implementers in Coimbatore.
Okay.
So they supported a lot.
Okay.
We had a lot of challenges in implementation because we wanted some features in the way we want.
Correct.
And when it comes to customization, it's a little tricky.
Yes.
What can go different or the other way, which we never know only once it is done.
Right.
So that was a little bit tricky for us. Other than that, everything was smooth process.
Right.
Maybe a little bit of knowledge issue we may have, like there are some features which we may not be aware of.
Correct.
Only when you scratch around, explore all the points, you come to know, okay, there is this feature which we never knew, which exists in the ERP already. So that is something which was very crucial and important in the implementation stage.
Absolutely.
And we are covering almost all the modules possible.
Oh, okay.
As much as it is required for the any business anyone can have. So I think it is better.
Absolutely. And whenever you are implementing or bringing on any new changes in your organization, right, so it is little tricky at beginning. It takes little time to also adopt that process entirely, but at certain point after you give it some time and all, you try, you test it, then it becomes easy for your organization, for your team as well. Right. So let's say that how would you like to rate Odoo services, Odoo's product?
The product is, let's say, 9 on 10.
9 out of 10?
Yes.
And what we can do to make it 10 out of 10 in next interview if we may have?
The little bit of part what we are missing. The B2B segment, where our B2B has CRM, which is very different. We have not explored the CRM part yet. Reason being that our product fit is different for the market. It's comparatively little different than the regular market. So there is a customization required, which I guess is challenging for any ERP also. So that if we cover, I think it's 10 on 10.
Absolutely.
Or maybe 11 out of
absolutely.
10.
Absolutely. So as soon as you also explore Odoo's CRM application, and with whatever left on additional services you want to customize it, being an open source ERP, I'm sure that we can solve this issue as well, with along rest of the issues we have already cured, right? So, is there any point at certain point, somebody comes to you, ask that which ERP you are using? Would you like to recommend Odoo to them as well?
I've been already recommending people in my sector, especially from Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, the friends I know, the relatives I know, and the factories or the vendors, whoever is working with us, I always recommend the CRP. So there is all kind of manufacturing over there. There's spinning, there is knitting, there is dyeing, there is garment units who do cutting, sewing, packing. So I recommend this CRP to everyone.
Absolutely.
Because it solves major of the problem. You don't have to look inventory for another software or accounting for another software. You can have everything in house. Or maybe the CRM also, if someone needs that. You have the WhatsApp integration, SMS, email, lots of things, features is there. So step by step, any organization, if they have to go evolve or do something, step by step, this ERP can help.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I'm pretty sure that we will be, having lots and lots of customers from your reference.
Definitely.
Right, since you also have the belief in Odoo CRM or Odoo ERP entirely, right? If you yourself have the confidence because you already have been using it in your organization, I'm pretty sure with your reference also many people will try and explore Odoo accordingly.
Definitely.
Right. Thank you so much for taking out time, and I hope that you enjoy our rest of the event as well.
I'm already enjoying.
Thank you so much. Thank you.